Okay, now to part 2 of the look at SArchiver. I've just installed the update. Actually, I did install the update. But let me first slow down VoiceOver, get VoiceOver through the preferences. But first, let me start a track. Now you'll notice I'm trying to stick with the same style of music, so. And besides, I like Celtic Woman. I really love Celtic Woman. They're so pure.
Soundflower 2C.
Okay.
Close. VLC Media Player. GarageBand. Line in. Finder.
So, let's reopen. I don't have a archive, but you know, we'll create one, test it, all this stuff. So,
Applications. List view. Nope.
let's open SArchiver.
SArchiver.
Okay, there we go.
Open. Core Services UI Agent. Alert.
You're not going to come up with this dialogue. Oops.
Display. 100%. 80. 75. 74%.
There we go. Now you can see what I'm doing. Now, you're not going to come up with this dialogue when you first launch the app. But since I updated since the last video, which was a few hours ago, but I'm probably not going to put this one up until tomorrow. Excuse me.
Open button.
Let's hit open.
Press Finder. Applications. List view. One row selected. SArchiver.app. Thursday, June 2nd, 2011. 10 hours, 19 minutes, 14 seconds PM. Point. 17.8 megabytes. Application. Row 47. SArchiver. SArchiver. Smart folder button has.
Okay. So, I don't know what the smart folder thing does. I'm going to admit that right now. I don't know what that does, but as soon as I find out, I'll make an addendum, like a part 5. Of course, it's going to go out of order, but that's okay.
Text. File path. Image. Text. Archive top text. File size text. File name. Toolbar. Interpick. Convert button. Create button. Extract button. Create button.
So, create.
Press Create button.
I'm going to press that, and of course the window's going to change.
Stop archive content. Help button. Progress indicator.
And there's nothing there in that little table.
Add button.
I'm going to add
Press
something.
Add button. Interact with dialog. Select items.
And by the way, ignore the echo if you're hearing it. That's my headset. I'm using the Apple Bluetooth, not Apple. I'm using the earbuds that came with my iPhone because that's all I have right now, and it sounds a lot better than my Mac mic. And you don't hear my, my keyboard as much. So
Forward. Dim button. Cancel. File. No selection.
let's see.
Documents. 30 rows. One working. When?
Let's see. I'm going to do my one working because I have very few files in here. So I'm going to hit enter.
Remove button.
And you can have as many directories as you want. So
Exit full screen button. Compression level. Compress button.
now
Warning 60%. Editable level.
you can edit this, but you can also edit it in preferences. I would leave this alone.
Every item new archive. Uncheck checkbox.
Every item you archive. If I had, let's say I had a folder full of classical music, and I wanted to upload it to someone or back it up or whatever, or I just wanted to zip a whole bunch of folders at once. I can select that, and I can hit every item you archive, and every item you archive will become that folder name, I hope. There was a bug in that last time where it became untitled every time, and you had to sit there and rename and rename and rename and rename. So that kind of sucked, and I hope that that's fixed.
Warn every item new archive. Level. Normal button. Level. Normal vertical line speed. Medium.
The level is normal speed.
Button. C bit per second. Button.
And that's the copyright.
Button.
And
This item has no button. C bit per button. This item has no help tag.
And we have 2 unlabeled buttons. Okay. The dev is gonna have to know about those. Oops.
Button. Level. Normal vertical line speed. Medium. Every item new archive. Warning 60%. Compress button.
So let's compress this puppy.
Press. Compress. Save. Save as.
I'm going to put
Selection deleted.
test, and I'm going to put it right on my desktop.
Say prep SArchiver. Create archive. Archive type.
Okay,
archive
so
type.
you have
Zip. Supports SFX. Pop-up button.
you have several choices. You have zip,
Menu check mark. RAR.
RAR, RAR,
7Z. Supports
7Z,
SFX. LHE.
LHA,
LHE.
is it LHE or LHA?
LHA.
LHA.
ARJ.
I've never used
RJ.
I've never used ARJ.
BZip2.
I've never
tar.bz2.
used bzip. Well, yeah, I have.
GZip. tar.gz.
gzip,
Tar. Supports SFX.
tar,
Check mark. Zip. Supports
but I'm
SFX.
going to keep it at zip. Oops.
RAR. Check mark. Zip. Supports SFX. Zip. Create SFX archive. Uncheck checkbox.
SFX archives are archives that'll extract themselves. Now, I'm not going to do that because let's say I were doing something in Windows. The Windows person would not be able to open this at all, which can be a bit of a problem. You know? That's a bit of a problem, so.
Help button. Password protected. Password. Image. Secure text. Confirm password. Secure text.
You can protect your passwords.
Image. Split to volumes. Uncheck checkbox. Size. 2 MB. Dim.
I've played with this. It actually works. I can split my volumes into bytes. In this case, megabytes.
Compress button.
Let's compress this.
Press cancel button.
And you'll see a progress bar right there on your screen. Now, with the folder I chose, it should not take too
SArchiver.
long.
Compress button.
In fact, it's done. Now, with this archive,
Toolbar. Enter text. Create convert button.
let's convert it.
Press text. No archive loaded. Please open an archive first. Please open an archive. Okay. Okay.
Oh, okay.
SArchiver. Convert button.
So let's
Open button. Press open button. Interact with
open
dialog.
an
Select
archive.
open file. No selection. Test.zip. Friday, June 3rd, 2011. 9 hours, 22 minutes. 9. Smart folder button. Extra open button.
and
Convert button.
let's go to convert.
Press convert archive. Convert to. Convert to. Select pop-up button. Menu. 7Z. RAR. Zip. RAR.
Let's convert to RAR or RAR. RAR for the fun of it.
RAR. Progress indicator. Convert button. Close button. Close. Convert button. Press convert button. Progress indicator. Convert button. Progress indicator. RAR. Pop-up button. Convert to. Image. 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 Convert archive. Convert archive. Close button. Convert button. Press convert button.
That's strange.
VLC.
I'm gonna repeat
VLC.
this,
VLC media. Pause. Play.
Playlist here. Oops.
Previous. Previous. Uncheck. Uncheck checkbox. Uncheck
Sucks
checkbox.
that VLC has to wrap.
Play. Previous.
Okay.
SArchive. Close button. Convert button. Progress indicator. RAR. Pop up. Convert to.
The thing is, with this particular thing, it's not showing
Desktop. Intro 40 FFP radio.
the
Desktop. Desktop. Test.rar. Test.zip. Friday. June.
I think it's done.
Test.rar. Friday.
But-
June 3rd, 2011. SArchiver.
We'll find out.
Close button. SArchive.
In the next tab.
Archive. Convert button. Convert button. Backup button. DMJ utility. Back. Extract button. Open. Open button.
Hey, where's-
Create button. Convert. Back. DMJ utility. Preferences button. About button. Press DMJ. Backup button.
Actually, we're not going to find out. There is a way to test these, but I can't remember. I don't remember where it is. I did see it.
Convert button. Create. Backup. Press. Backup.
Let's play with the backup.
Stop. Progress indicate. Image. Image. Backup items. Application preferences of. Check. SE.
Application preferences of, in this case, me.
6.21 megabytes. Documents of. SE. 0.00 kilobytes.
Well,
S. Documents of. Check.
I'm not going to back up my documents.
Uncheck. S. 0. Backup total. 6.21 megabytes. Total size. Compress backup. Uncheck checkbox. Check. Compress. Uncheck.
Actually, let's
Compress
not.
backup. Check. Open backup folder button. Backup now button. Open back. Press text. Backup folder does not exist. You still have no backups. No backup folder is created yet. Okay. Press SArchive.
I believe you do that under
Archiver. Open backup
preferences.
folder button.
Whoops.
Backup now button.
But
Button. Backup now
let's
button.
hit the backup button. I think it's going to be stored in home.
Press. Backing up. Please wait. Applications preferences. Dimmed uncheck checkbox.
No,
Applications preferences. Dimmed uncheck checkbox. SArchiver has new dialog.
It's backing up my preferences only. So I don't have to reinstall stuff.
0 kilobytes. Applications preferences, dimmed unchecked checkbox, 0 user documents, 0 progress indicate, stop button, stop button.
And this can take a while. But while it's doing that, let's go to the home
Desktop.
directory.
Home, SE, list view, no selection. Enter, Thursday, May 12th, sort down.
I'm going to sort down by date. I usually don't, but I'm going to sort down by date this time. Let me just reposition myself here. There we go.
Desktop, collapse, desk, Friday, June 3rd, 2011, 9 hours, 23 minutes, 35 seconds. Desktop, movies, collapse level, desktop, collapse
Lord,
level
I
0,
hope it's not
open
storing
selection.
in my...
Toolbar, vert list view, enter test.art, Friday, June 3rd, sort up, sort down, test.rar, row 1.
You know, I never really used this feature, but when I got the app, that's what it came with, so...
SArchiver, backing up, please wait, stop button, stop button, press stop button.
Ooh.
Backing up, window chooser menu, 3 items, previous, SArchiver, alert, new, alert, text, unable to open the backup directory, OK, default button, press SArchiver.
Reason is, it doesn't exist.
Progress indicator.
So let's set it.
Button. Preferences.
Go to preferences.
Toolbar. Internet. Miscellaneous. Context menu. Drop options. Miscellaneous. Internet. Backup button.
Go to
Press,
backup.
Backstop. Backup. Tilde SArchiver backups. Backup folder. Toolbar. Backup folder. Tilde SArchiver backups. Choose button. Close button. Close button. Choose button. Press. Choose. Select directory to OK. New folder button. File. No selection. 10 rows added.
And let's create a folder right in my home
New
directory.
folder. Name of new folder. Selection deleted. C. File. Select directory to extract to. New folder button. File. Open. Default. Press SArchiver preferences. Close but choose button. Users SArchiver. Close button. Press SArchiver button.
And
Button. C button. C bit per second button. Back open backup folder but backup now button. Press backup now button. Backup now button. SArchiver. Window chooser backing up. Please wait. Current. SArchiver. Current. Backing up. Window. Finder. SArchiver. Button.
I believe it's done. So
Finder.
let's go to my backup utility, or backup folder,
Home.
rather.
Toolbar. List into SArchiver. Collapse level 0. Row 1.
I spelled it wrong. Oh well.
Open selection. 3.June.2011-SArchiver-backup.app. Thursday, June 2nd, 2011. 9
Oh,
hours,
I
37
hate
minutes,
when
18
it
seconds
does
PM.
this.
9.5 megabytes. Application. Row 1.
Okay. Well, I don't like when it does that, but, you know. That works, I guess. Let's see what happens if we open it.
Open. SArchiver backup. 3.June.2011-SArchiver-backup. Restore applications preferences. Checkbox. Restore documents. Checkbox. Destination path. Default. Content. Change button. Progress indicate. Extract. Close button.
And let's close it because I don't want to overwrite anything, even though
Close window.
I
Desktop.
haven't changed anything.
Intro for SArchiver.
Now,
SArchive.
let's pretend
Toolbar. Interact with about but preferences. DMG utility. Back DMG utility.
that I have to make a DMG. Maybe this is going to be in 2 parts.
Press DMG utility but stop image.
Let's pretend that I want to make a DMG.
Progress indicator. Source folder where your data is located. Image. Text. Browse button.
I hit the browse.
Press. Select source.
This could be useful if you're making an app for someone, or you know, whatever. But
Oh, can't file. No
let's
selection.
pretend that I have
21 rows
an app.
added.
So,
Publisher.
oh come on. You know, I'm really not liking voiceover at the moment.
Welcome. Voiceover on. SArch. Oh, cancel button. File. 1 row. Dropbox. Friday, June 3rd, 2011. 4 hours, 34 minutes, 54 seconds. Publisher. Sort down. Column. Name. Sort up. Column.
There we go.
Documents. 8 rows added. 1 working.
I'm gonna
SArchiver.
make a DMG of my working
Browse
folder.
button. Destination folder where the image will text. Browse button. Name. My image. Content selected. Selection deleted.
Test.
Progress indicator. Progress indicator. Create DMG button. Button. Create DMG.
And of course you have those unlabeled buttons, which I'm not sure what they are. But let's click Create DMG, Disk Image.
Press. Text. Error.
something.
Please choose destination path.
Oops.
OK. Press SArchive. Proc test. Name. Browse button. Text. Browse. Press. Select destination directory. Open. Press SArchive.
I'm gonna put it on my desktop.
Name. Test. Progress indicator.
Now be careful when you put things on your desktop, because everything is a window according to the Mac. So have as few items on your desktop as possible. In fact, might I recommend a little app in the Mac App Store called Desk Today. It will organize it'll put all the shortcuts of your desktop into a folder of today's date. And you can do this, you know, like once a week, whatever. And then you can look, you know, wherever you want.
Create DM button. Create DMG button.
So let's create this DMG.
Press create DMG button.
I'm just going to let that music die. It's okay.
Create DMG button. Progress into create DM button. Work in progress. Please wait.
I love it. I love it. Work in progress. Well, it is. Oops.
Progress in work in progress. Please wait. Finder. VLC.
I'm going to start.
Play. Step backward. Previous. SArch.
I'm going to start that again. I'm sorry you have to hear the same thing 3 times, you guys. I only planned for a few, but that's all right.
Progress into work in progress. Please wait.
It's still going. I wish there were a way to pause QuickTime. But that's perfectly okay. By the way, if you know anyone who likes my YouTube channel or who might like my YouTube channel with the demos, sighted, blind, whatever, tell them to subscribe. I don't bite. In fact, I'd appreciate the comments, you know, because I'm new at this YouTube thing. I've been doing it for about a year, and I still don't know what I'm doing. So, comments, suggestions, please send them my way in a comment or a message or whatever. I might take a while to respond because I have all my alerts turned off. Excuse me.
Work in progress. Please wait.
This is taking a while. I only chose one folder.
Progress indicate test name. Browse. Users S8 where the image will destination folder. Browse button. Users S8 documents.
Oh.
Browse but progress button. C button. Progress indicator. Work in create DMG button. Work in progress. Please wait. Progress indicator. Work progress indicator. Create DMG. Progress in work in progress. Please wait. Desktop. Desktop. List view. No selection. Test.dmg. Row 1. Friday. 156.2 megabytes.
Well, that was not supposed to happen. I'm still getting used to the DMG thingy. But this can be a good way. Well, no, in disk utility you can do this, but you can create an encrypted DMG. You can't do this. You can't do it on SArchiver. But it'd be great if you had, you know, a folder that you needed to, you know, put somewhere on a flash drive or whatever. And it's an encrypted DMG. You know, you can do that. Let's see if I can stop.
SArchiver. Progress indicator. Test. Content selected. Progress indicator. Work in create DMG button. C bit button. Progress indicator toolbar. Image. Progress indicator. Source folder where your data is located. Image. Users S8 documents. Browse press browse. Select source directory. Select source window. Choose previous. SArchiver. Current. Select forward. Open verticals downloads. Wednesday April Dropbox. Wednesday April 6th 2022 rows added. No row 8 rows added. 1 working. No row selected. Open. Press SArchiver. Destination folder where the image will be created. Desktop. Intro test.dmg. Select move to trash. SArchiver where the image will be created. Test content selected. Progress indicate test name browse button. Users S8 desktop where the image destination folder browse button. Users S8 documents 1 working.
There we go.
Progress indicator. Work in progress.
It's a little counterintuitive.
Progress indicator. Create DMG but press create DMG
that
button. Selection replaced. 0 item selected.
There we go.
Selection replaced.
Ow,
0 item selected. Selection
a,
replaced. 0 item selected.
Folder
Selection
open
replaced.
in order
0 item
to
selected.
create that, but that's okay.
Selection replaced. 0 item selected. Selection replaced. Speech muted. Speech selection. Progress indicate. Work in progress. Please wait. Selection replaced. 0 item selected.
I don't know what it's doing because
selection replaced. 0 desktop.
I have
Desktop. Interact with text. Word. Stop it. Test.dmg. Row. Friday, June 3rd, 2011. 9 hours, 35 minutes. 21.5 megabytes. 21.1 megabyte. Friday. Test. Disk image. Test.rar. Disk. 21.5 megabyte. Disk. Test.r. Test.zip. Was added to move.
I wouldn't move those to the trash just to clean things up a bit. Just to clean up my desktop just a tad, you know?
No row selected. SArchiver. SArchiver. Work in progress. Please wait.
It normally doesn't take this long to make a DMG, but I think it's done.
Finder. Test.dmg.
I'm
Interact
going to
with.
open the test.dmg
Open.
and see
System has new window.
if it will show up as a volume.
Test. Image browser list.
Okay.
As list checked. List view. TFFP Monday, April. Welcome message for Skype. English.t. Instrumentals Wednesday, April
And there
6th,
we go.
2011. 4 hours, 51 minutes. Close window. Desktop. Test.dmg.
All my instrumentals are in there. Everything.
Move to trash. No row.
So that's a quick glance
Finder. SArchiver.
at SArchiver.
Find SArchiver. Create DMG button.
That's...
Progress indicator. Test. Content selected.
Oh, come on. Close. Close you.
SArchive. Window chooser menu. 1 item. Test. Content selected. Test. Content selected. Toolbar.
You know-
Open button. Extract button. Press extract button. Interact with
Usually-
dialog. Select choose. Default button. Cancel. Press cancel button. Smart folder. Open button. Extract open button. Press open button. Interact with dialog. Open cancel. Press cancel.
Usually the program is very good at closing, but for some reason today I'm having issues.
Finder. Desktop.
Oh, okay, there it goes.
VLC.
So,
QuickTime player. Garage. QuickTime player. QuickTime player.
that's it, you guys. I'm out of here. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them. Now, I'm not going to do a fade out with this because I don't know how, and QuickTime is a pain in the butt to use. Not QuickTime, iMovie is a pain in the butt to use to try and do these fade outs. And they usually don't work. Even though I have that slider all the way up for fading and fading out, fading in and fading out. So, all right, you guys, take care. Questions, comments, suggestions. Hope that you like this, and let me know.